Solar generator by HowEasy. My honest thoughts on owning this for over a year. When I first opened the box, I was surprised on how small it was, pretty compact. I actually purchased this solar generator for lake trips, camping, cookouts, so I can inflate my inflatables at the lake, my air mattresses while I go camping, recharge my cell phone, and if I need to bring my computer, it could actually run my computer as well, along with extra features that are on the side, and the light. It has a battery indicator on the side. Another reason why I bought it is for emergency use. So if the power goes out, and if I need power for my cell phone, my computer, communications, say if you have an emergency radio, you have extra power just in case you need it. So another thing I like about it, it has 3 options to charge. You can either use the wall charger, also charge with the car charger. This is the connector that goes into the car. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. And you also have the option to use solar panel. So I have a compatible solar panel, connects to it, and it recharges. As you can see, it's charging right now. So it has that option too, which I like. And conveniently, it comes with a nifty little handle so you can carry it with you. The plastic is shock resistant, so if you were ever to drop this, it's supposed to handle the impact. And it's a pretty sturdy plastic. The handle feels pretty sturdy too, it doesn't feel cheap. The thing is actually a little bit heavy, like not too heavy, maybe like a couple pounds. It feels pretty durable. So here you got 2 outlets, one with the ground and one with the regular outlet with no ground. You have the Type-C connector for cell phones, certain type of cell phones, like for Androids and other electronics. You have a DC1 and a DC2 connector for electronics. You have 2 3.0 USB connectors, along with a regular USB connector. That's the flashlight button. And then here's the DC for DC output. And this is for AC output. And when you turn on the AC output, the little internal fan turns on. It has an internal fan to keep it cool. So from my experience, this actually inflates inflatables for the lake and the pool, and also air mattresses really quickly. So I like that about this. It's pretty powerful. So this solar generator, it doesn't have a built-in solar panel. Another thing that you can do is you can carry this in your suitcase while you're going on your trips. So if you plan on going to camp out in the mountains and you have to fly there, you could actually put this in your suitcase and not have to worry. I'd like to point out that if you have a device that will not fit this connection right here with the solar generator, you do have the option to buy a multi-connector adapter kit that actually will fit. So it comes in different size adapters and it can fit into this hole here. Another thing I want to point out is with this solar generator, during the cold weather, it can affect the life charge of this device. From my experience on a camping trip, this actually has a safety feature on here, considering that this hot water kettle is 1200 watts and 120 volts. This solar generator wasn't able to turn on my device because it required too much power. In my opinion, considering this is something you could take on trips, camping trips, hikes, outdoors, I would feel more comfortable if it actually had some type of rubber protection around it, even though it's supposed to be shock resistant and well protected. I would feel more comfortable with it having a rubber cover or something to help protect it even more. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.